Yo, what it is, YouTube? So we just got another, like a small trail. It's nothing really like. It's just a quick like shortcut, I would say. It's like in when people come back here to this my neighborhood built a big neighborhood, but they didn't finish it. I'm guessing they went bankrupt and they didn't finish the neighborhood. So one of the cul-de-sacs, people just come back here and throw shit, which is terrible. Like, you shouldn't be this low in life to do this. But I got my trimmers today. I didn't bring the chainsaw or anything, or machete, because this trail is just, like I said, it's a shortcut. It goes out into a, what they call it, a palace, which used to be an old bar or something that they made. I've never been up here to gone to it, but that's what I've heard. It's called the palace. But basically, I came through here a couple weeks ago and trimmed it a little bit until like this point, and then I was getting ate up by mosquitoes. So this time I put on mosquito spray and put it on my neck and stuff. Hopefully it keeps them off. But like, it's a small trail. I'm gonna go through it and trim it a little bit up. I didn't bring gloves because I'm an idiot. But I'm just gonna place the camera in certain spots and show me trimming it up. Hopefully no one's over there, but that'd be fine. I can tell them what I'm doing. But it's just a small trail that I found, and I hope you guys enjoy the content, and thank you for watching. Alright, I got most of it like cut away that I can ride. Yes, I'm gonna get gloves. Today Mountain Motorsports was closed, so I can't go get gloves. I have motorcycle gloves, but it's not, it doesn't, it's thick and it's like, it's hard to grip, so I don't wear those. I've worn it in my previous videos, but yes, I am getting gloves. I saw that. Someone commented on my last video saying get gloves is a good investment. Yes, it is. I'll admit, I'll go get gloves, but this is the trail. I opened it up. I'll show you what's on the other side. It's just a little shortcut. It's not a big trail. It's just a little fun little shortcut. that was it. Just a little bitty shortcut in my cul-de-sac down the road. I'm gonna search around more. There's more trails that I have to cut, bring the chainsaw, clear things out. But this was just a short video of me riding the shortcut trail. Thank you for watching. Comment, you know, subscribe to my channel. There's gonna be more content of everything that I have that I've been posted in the previous videos. Like it, show support, comment what I need to go next, what I need to do next, what I need to learn on the four-wheeler, all that good stuff. Upgrades, because this is just a stock 700, so upgrade suggestions, anything that will help me promote the channel to grow, install videos and stuff like that. But thank you for watching, and see you next time.